With a pure mind, everything will become accordingly pure. The Sutra of Perfect Enlightenment says, sentient beings and the world they live in are of one Dharma nature. Hells and heavens are all pure lands. Everything is primordially pure. We fail to recognize this because our minds are not pure. Everything is merely a reflection of the mind. It is due to our ignorance and afflictions that we cannot recognize anything's purity. Just like an eye disease causes someone to perceive a white conch as yellow. If you follow the teachings of a qualified guru and cultivate pure perceptions of everything, conviction about Vajrayana, view will naturally arise within you. In fact, nothing is impure, including our desire and anger, and the essence of everything is entirely wisdom. Everything is entirely the manifestation or appearance of the pure Buddha field. The reality is that in ultimate truth, everything is beyond conception, and in relative truth, everything is pure and equal.